Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add shoes business lead to Google Sheets. So here our objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my shoe business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to add these details of lead in my Google Sheets and I want to do this automatically. For this, we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. So this is my Facebook page for my shoe business and it is named as Shoe Store. And to promote this, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. But now I want to manage these leads and I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet, so that it will save my time and energy. Now to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet, I have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. For this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to add shoes business lead to Google Sheets. And I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first. So here our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. I will select this. Now I will connect Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I will select this. Now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I will click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And I will connect with Facebook lead ads. I will click on continue to give access to my account. So my connection is successful. And here we have these two details, page and the lead gen form. So for this, let's go to Facebook. So my page name is Shoe Store. And for the lead gen form, I will open this Meta Business Suite. And I will go to all tools. Here I will find this instant forms. I will open this. And here we have this one form which is Shoe Store. I will open this. Next. And we have these details here, full name, email and the phone number. So this is how my form look like. I will close this. And I will map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. First I will select my page, which is Shoe Store. Now we'll select the lead gen form. So I will open this tab and Shoe Store will be my lead gen form. So I'm going to click here. And here is an important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. I'm going to create a sample submission. So for that, I will open Meta for Developer. I will go to my apps. I will go to tools. And here I will find this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I'll open this. And here we have these two details, page and the form. So first I will find my page, which is shoe store. So I will map my page here. So my page is shoe store and the form is shoe store. So I'm going to click on preview form button and I'm going to fill dummy details in the form and I will create that lead. So I will click here on preview form. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details. So my full name will be demo user. Email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com and I have to give a random phone number. So this will be my random phone number. I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. And I have created this lead and I have submitted my form. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have this response here. So this is my full name, which is demo user. And the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And this is the random phone number. Now what I want is, I want to add these lead details automatically in Google Sheet. So for that, I will set up my action. So for that, I will open this. And here I will search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. I will select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and add new row will be my action event. Now I will connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. Now I will click on allow to give access to my account. So my connection is successful. And here we have these details. First, I have to select the spreadsheet. So for this, let's go to Google Sheet. And this is my Google Sheet and the spreadsheet name is Facebook Leads. And we have three columns here, full name, email and the phone number. And we are using sheet 1. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. First, I will select the spreadsheet, which is Facebook Leads. And here we can see all my details have changed according to my spreadsheet. And we have these details here, full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to map these details and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous step. And the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. For mapping, I'll click here. I will open this response and this is the full name. So I'm going to map this. Now we'll map the email and I will map the phone number. So I have mapped all my details here and I will click on save and send test to kill button. And we have this response. So I have added my details in Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have added this new row. So the full name is demo user. Email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And we have this random phone number. So here we can see we have added this new row with the details of the lead that we have generated from Facebook lead ads. So our integration here between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. Now to check this again, let's open Meta for Developer once more time. I will close this. I will delete this lead. And I will preview this form again. And I will fill dummy details again. So my full name will be dummy user and email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this will be the phone number. I will click on next. I will click on submit. So my form is submitted. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have just added this new row. So the full name is dummy user. Email is demouser@pabblytudes.com and this is the random phone number. So these are the details that we have just filled in our Facebook lead ad form. And we have added all these details automatically in our Google Sheet. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So whenever we are getting a new lead from Facebook lead ads for my shoe business, then we are adding those details of lead automatically in our Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.